Leo, this is your pancake. It is
Mom,
fresh.
I want a pancake too.
Sorry, Lily. I am busy now.
Look, Lily, this is my new toy. It is very fast.
Your toy is very nice.
Mom, it looks fun. Can I get a toy too?
Maybe.
I also want...
Mom loves Leo more. She gives him toys, she gives him special food. She smiles more at him, not at me.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning,
Good morning, Leo.
Leo.
Breakfast is ready.
Good
Come in.
morning, everyone. It is a nice day. Let's eat together.
Leo, this is your pancake. It is fresh and warm. Eat slowly.
Wow. Thank you, Mom. I love pancakes. This looks so yummy. Mom, I want a pancake too. It looks very nice. Can I have one, please?
Sorry, Lily. I am busy now. You can eat toast today. I will make it later.
Okay, Mom. It is fine. I understand. I will eat this. Look, Lily. This is my new toy. It is very fast. Vroom, vroom. Come and see. Look, Lily. This is my new toy. It is very fast. Vroom,
Your toy
vroom.
is very nice.
It looks fun. You are lucky, Leo. You always get new things. Mom, can I get a toy too? I also want to play. Please, Mom.
Just a moment, sweetie. Dinner's almost ready. Not today, Lily. Maybe later. I have work now. Please understand.
Oh, okay. You. I will wait. Here. Maybe later. Maybe someday. Why is Leo so lucky? Mom gives him toys. Mom gives him special food. What about me?
Maybe. Mom loves Leo more. She gives him toys, she gives him special food. She smiles more at him, not at me.
Leo, come here. Your noodles are ready. Eat while it is warm. Sit properly.
Lily, are you okay? You look very quiet today.
You are not smiling. Tell me, my dear. No, Dad.
I am okay.
Just a little tired.
Nothing is wrong.
I am fine.
Come here, Leo, my sweet boy. You are so lovely. I love you so much. You make me happy. Mom hugs Leo. She smiles at him. She says sweet words. But not to me. Why not me?
It is night now. The house is quiet. Everyone is happy.
Why does my heart hurt? Why do I feel like this? I want Mom to love me. I want her to see me. I want her to hug me too.
Tomorrow, I will talk to Mom. I will tell her everything. I will be brave.
Mom!
Can I talk to you? I want to say something. It is important.
Yeah.
Please listen. Yes, Lily. Of course. Come here. Tell me everything. I am listening.
Mom. I feel sad. I feel very sad inside. I cannot.
Mom, you love Leo more. You give him toys. You give him special food. You spend more time with him. Listen to me, Lily. I love you. I love you very, very much. You are my daughter, my sweet girl. Oh, I understand now. You trust me. You believe in me. That is why. Come here, Lily. My sweet girl. I love you so much. Never forget this.
We all love you, Lily.
Yeah,
You are very special.
yeah.
Never feel alone.
We are always here.
This feels so nice. We are together.
We are happy.
We are family.
Lily, come with me. Let's play together. It will be fun. Love is not less.
Love is not more.
Love is for everyone.
I understand now,
I am loved.
and I am happy.